In this video, I'll be sharing you with some of the fresh tips which you can apply in your channel, in your YouTube channel, in order to grow. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest quality tech videos and don't forget to select that bell icon.
So before starting this video, I want to say thank you so much for each and every people who have subscribed to my channel. It had led me to get 100 subscribers on the way. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. Also, there will be a giveaway at the end of this video. Make sure you guys wait and watch. So you might be a YouTube creator, that's why you have clicked on this video. This video really might help you to grow heights in this platform. Starting up, we have the first tip, that is catchy content. I mean to say, catching the latest trend might help you to grow on YouTube, because putting a latest video which is in trending topic can help your video to come up in the trending section in the YouTube application or in the YouTube PC, which helps a lot of viewers to get into those videos. So make the most of trend with as fast as possible and make a good one of the latest trending topic. No matter what is the main topic of your channel, you have to make the latest content to catch new viewers in this 2018. Now the next best advice is putting up the best thumbnails, because thumbnails might play a great and a vital role in the video's performance. Because once when your thumbnail is catchy and it wants the view and it pull up the viewer's attention, means you are a winner, man. That thumbnail matters a lot in these videos, guys. It doesn't matter, you have to have a highly graphic thumbnail or a simple one which catch the viewer attention. So of course this might be the fresh point, but still you have to concentrate more on these thumbnails, guys. It's very important, it's very much important. Okay, the next tip and the main thing of this video is self-analyzation and optimization of your YouTube channel. Now YouTube Studio gives you a ways of information about your performance of your videos. So go through the YouTube Studio application in your mobile phone or in your PC, whatever it is. You go through it and just check how the viewers are responding to your videos. What is the average views, where you can put the cards, where you can put your new ideas in order to grow. Just looking through the others videos also in order to make your videos look greater. So that is it. You should make use of the YouTube Studio application in a nice manner. I will also be making a tutorial on it, so wait and watch. Make sure you guys subscribe down below for that. This tip is very important. This is the promoting your videos by yourself. I mean to say, posting it in your social medias, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. Just post it in your social medias or just upload them in the subreddits, promoting your channel. Give a visiting link for all your new friends, new WhatsApp groups. Once when you meet a new people, say them about your channel. So this can also help you to grow some subscribers on the way. Friends, last but not least, main point is that self-confidence. Having a self-confidence in you can help you to achieve anything. You have to grow. Just keep in mind that you will grow, and just keep on trying new ideas, new things. You can really grow in this big platform. So actually I will be giving away some channel art. That is, you are a YouTube creator, I will be giving you a free channel art which was customly designed by me. One of my subscriber, Clash King, which has got a free design channel art, channel icon template, which was designed by me. It is completely customized by me. So you can enter the channel art giveaway by subscribing and just commenting up about your channel. This can help you for your channel's graphics optimization also. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Be creative, be enjoying your life.